Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your myQ garage door opener. The first option is a Wi-Fi reset. Use this if you changed your router, updated your Wi-Fi password, or want to connect the opener to a different network. Start by locating the Wi-Fi or Learn button on your myQ device. On most garage door openers, this is the yellow or gray Learn button. Press and hold the button for about 6 to 10 seconds. Keep holding until the LED light starts blinking or turns off. Then release the button. This clears the current Wi-Fi settings. Next, open the myQ app on your phone. Tap the plus icon, select your device, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your new Wi-Fi network. The second option is a full factory reset. Use this if you are moving, giving the system to someone else, or having ongoing connection issues. Keep in mind that a factory reset removes all stored data, including remotes, keypads, and Wi-Fi settings. Locate the square Learn button on the garage door motor unit. Press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED light turns off, then release it. Immediately press and hold the Learn button again until the light turns off, then release it. Right away, press and hold the button a third time until the light turns off once more. You will hear 3 consecutive beeps. This confirms that the factory reset was successful. After the reset, you will need to reconnect all remotes and keypads and add the opener back to your myQ account as a new device. Thanks for watching.